Yo, yo, yo. Can you guys hear me? Is it fuck? Like, can I like watch my shit? Fuck. Yo, 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 yo. This shit. Oh, hi. First time chatter, it says. What is this thing? Oh, you have 20. Oh, you're my top fan. Welcome in. Can you see me? Like, why is my camera so shit? Hold up. Like, why is my camera so shit? It is blurry. Can I like. Oh, wait, it fixed itself. That's good, that's good. Okay, bet. I'm gonna put this on my Instagram, and I'm gonna do this for like an hour, and then I'm probably gonna do some homework. But I wanted to do this for a bit. So thank you for stopping by and being supportive. Oh, okay. Lock in. Don't expose too much. Who's Mariah? I don't know. I don't know who Mariah is, guys. Some first time chatter for sure. Yeah, obviously it's just you in here. I don't have fucking like 5,000 subscribers. All right, what music? What's this? I like it. Sorry. I'm gonna stop it in a second. Okay. Post that. My background's so fucked up. Does this look like locked in background shit? Dude, how do I put like overlays on the stream? Probably nothing. Wait, hello? Can you hear me? Wait, let me. Can't change your background? Nah. I don't think I can. If I do this, now you can see my screen. Now you can see my screen, right? Yeah. Wow. Yeah. I know it's nice. Let me check the quality on this YouTube. Let me check the quality on this. Oh, it's not bad. Let me check the quality on this. Oh shit. Oh, it's not bad. It's gonna echo. I gotta turn that off. Okay. Um, let's play some music though while we do that. I don't know what's by your name. There's like a you see the crown by your name? I don't know what that means. Like that is. Alright, let me see if this. You can hear the music, right? But I don't want it too loud. Just like help me. I'm your child. Yeah, it's because I've been liking it. Oh, okay. So like number one liker. Okay, bet. So now we got everything set up. Now we can actually do our shit. So this is my Notion. I'm basically gonna be journaling everything here. I have everything written down. And then this is like the most updated and shit like that. So we're gonna start here. Okay, that's uploaded. We're gonna start here and get into it. Thank you, Brian, for stopping by. Yeah, you have 75 XP apparently. Crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna be talking to myself. That's basically what's gonna be happening. But yeah, I need to pull up my brokerage on my other screen to journal this correctly. Can you guys hear the like music? Is it too loud though? I don't want it to be too loud. I don't want it to be too loud. Let me go. Barely, it's low. It's good. All right, bet. Appreciate it. Okay. So let's do this. What was the first trade of the week? Well, I just want to say about UNH, which was one of the trades that I mentioned earlier this week. It played out. So if anyone was looking at that, looked really good. So yeah, you guys probably were printing. I had to take profits to raise out on cash, but again, I think we took it around here, right? And if we took it around here, you guys can see the clear breakout. It ran almost 7% in the past like 2 days, 3 days, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's good. I still have to talk to people, okay? Even if there's no one in here, I still have to because what if if someone looks at this video later, just because it's live, it still gets recorded, it still gets recorded and posted. So if anyone watches it later, still can I not live my dreams of just educating people? I want to be an educator. So, anyways, just roasting me. I think you need your negative attitude out of here. It's a joke. Okay, the beginning of the week was the 6th. Tem. I took Tem. I don't think I took that. I took SoFi, I think, right? No, SoFi was the 7th. QS. Open, I took on the 7th. Neo, I took on the 8th. HL. CMG. CMG, I took profits on the 8th. And Apple as well. Okay, so Apple and Tem are the ones we're starting off with. Apple. We'll start with that. All right, sounds good. I see you. Start off with this page. Let's go. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go by day. Okay. Okay. I have to like pull this up on a different screen. I don't want to leak anything. Fuck. Sorry guys, I'm a little slow. Alright, that should be good. That should be good. There you go. There you go. Alright, alright. First, let's go here. Let's go 36. Okay. This trade was on Apple. And the trade was literally this. Like, you guys could see this shit. Again, you could have taken it down here. Breakout right here. Stops at lows of day. But again, that risk to reward is just insane. You couldn't have done it. So you could have put stops like right here. Still, though, it's just like... It was a really good breakout, though, right here. We had the breakout right there. You know, stops there. And then look at how much it ran. Like 21% or so. Oh, shit, I'm trolling. 15%. But it broke above, you know, this weekly consolidation. And like look on the monthly chart, especially, like you can see consolidating. One could have taken it on the dip, that would have been crazy. But looking for continuation along Apple. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so I can kind of get into it. But basically, I was just looking for a breakout of this daily consolidation, like you guys can see right here. Let me remove the markers. Daily consolidation right here in this area. We're still, like, the thing is we're still consolidating. That's the thing. So all I was trying to do is looking for a breakout out of this box. Look on the 15-minute chart. We'll see more clear. Where was the 6th? This is Thursday. This was the 6th right here. Basically, look at break. We just got a rejection. Then we rejected off this, and we came here, and then we just chopped, and then we went finally to my stop loss. But I'll show you for a second. But yeah, so where was the 6th? Let me find the 6th again. Oh, I took it here though. I took it on Friday. Yeah, this was high, and I just took it right here, I think. Copy image, boom. Put this down into here. Boom. That's good. That's good. That's good. Good. Okay. Lost 36. Trading Apple. Took October 24th times no, source intro Apple. Okay, that's good. Saw a high tight flag here. Let me actually do this. There you go. It's much bigger, so you guys can see now. Saw a high tight flag after weekly breakout. Was looking for continuation. Is that how you spell continuation? I don't know. So high tight flag after weekly breakouts. Looking for continuation. Did not get closure on Friday after I took entry. Should have stopped out early, but was in class. Okay, I was looking for consolidation. Now, this is what I want to do. is since I have this set up, I want to see like, I can't see the exact entry, but why did this fail, right? So let's go to QQQ, and then let's look at the 6th. 6 right here. This was the 6th. Right here. This candle. 6th. What did we do on the 6th? We came down, tested this support, bounced off this support, trended higher. Broke above new highs. And at the... Fuck, but I took it on the Friday. I'm tripping. So what did we do on Friday? Friday, consolidated. We broke below the support down here, retested, and then consolidated above this support. So same thing if you were to look at Apple. Look at fucking, what's it called? That's Friday. Right there. Take an image of that. Overall market was above support, above previous support level, did not gap up or down, was looking good for continuation as well. Unfortunately, we failed and broke below support level to trend to next support level, which we tested and built a hammer-ish off of. But that kind of sucks, because Apple couldn't get the continuation after the market gapped up. Market gapped up, and Apple couldn't get continuation. So that sucks. So why did it fail, though? Why did it fail? Go to Apple, and we go to Friday. Yeah, we had the hourly candle right here, and we look at this. We had the hourly candle. This was the high that it made. It obviously rejected. We were going up. We retested that high, rejected a little bit. Got a candle go above it. Maybe it's because we didn't get a bullish hourly candle. Closure on Friday, I should take entry. On the hourly chart, we tested the highs, but didn't get a closure. Then we tested it again on the next hourly candle and actually closed above resistance, but not with a bullish That could be the reason. And I'll show you test the highs, but didn't get a closure when we tested it again on the next hourly candle and actually closed above a bullish candle. Then after that, look at that, rejected. Should I get stopped out on the 9 hourly? Like, look at cross below 21. Look at that dip right there. That's Monday, that's why. That's when I got stopped out down here. Yeah, I should have short-term momentum. Good story at 9 hourly. Take a picture of this too. We can see that there was a candle on Friday that broke through the 50, 21, and 10 MA and 10 moving averages. Therefore, in these situations, we can trail our breakout with the 9 or the 10 to decide whether, bro, can I ask about whether we still have volume? Same thing I noticed is that the squeeze, we had one candle of volume, then lost it right after, which is not a good sign. Yeah, I think that's pretty like journaled right there. TBH. Like, if I'm gonna be honest, like if you look at this trade, like Apple, we took it here on Friday, we broke right here, took it right here, looking for continuation, right? We had a little bit of continuation, but the thing is that, you know, we failed at these highs, we had a failed breakout. But at the same time, you can see right here, we have a green candle, meaning we have bullish sentiment, which is what we got. We have a lot of volume right here. And then right here, we don't. Right here, we don't. Right here, we don't. We have even worse volume. We have even worse, until we got the worst volume right here. And then we're going to break out. Well, we actually broke below this level. This is where someone could have taken a put, actually. We broke below this level, stops again, like a right at the 50 EMA. And then you want to play it to the lows, like right here. So we'll see. I mean, is QQ dropping? Just pulled back today, and now it's consolidating. That's all that's happening. You can see it pulled back to this level, and now we're consolidating. That's what's happening today. But as for Apple, we kind of just lost volume, I think. Yeah, it just sucks, bro. It just sucks. And then I took profits on UNH, but I'm not gonna journal that shit. That doesn't matter. but I think that this makes sense. Lost word size. Thing is, stuck to my plan. Did not lose more than. Let's see here. Did not lose more than 1% of count. Overall, good with following my plan. Just couldn't get follow through. Okay, nice. That was that day. Let's go to the 7th. Oh, I remember the 7th, bro. Now, Tem. This shit was crazy, dude. I think y'all can tell why I'm fucking. Held this overnight, right? Or no? Yeah, I did. Monday to Tuesday, and we fucking dropped on Tuesday. Shit was so rough, man. Took entry. Consolidated. We hit these new highs. I was up like fucking 25%, 30%. Dropped. Stayed above the support on the hourly chart, but like, dude, if I didn't get out, I'd not be following my plan, you know? Thing is, I could have taken profits earlier. Just insane, dude. Took it right here. You could see once we got the breakout, consolidated. Once we broke above these highs, which is what I was waiting, that's when you could have trailed the 15-minute NMA. We closed below that. You know, you could have got out for a win, not a loss. $8. Andre, why would you do that? Oh, that's the mistake I made. Because so far I did good on that. So that's why we journal these. So make sure these don't happen. But first journal this. Copy. Boom. Boom. Tem was breaking out on Monday. Wait, I took this on the 6th? Oh yeah. On Monday the 6th and held it overnight because just consolidated all day on Monday. Tuesday morning was good. We broke out of the consolidation towards the upside. We hit some type of resistance level, huh? Hit some type of resistance level. Market started to break down, which brought my positions down as well. I was up fucking 30% probably. It was up around 30%. I do not fully recall, but if I had a position, I would have taken partial profits at the daily high we reached. Since I only had No, we had. Fuck. Now we had the other position. Where the. Right here. Now we had what happened on the 15-minute chart to get more of a basis. Can see if I took or if I followed my plan, if I stuck to my plan, then I would have got stopped out in small profits and lost 2% of my what I did wrong was not following my plan and stopping out on the one contract. Very true. I could have entered a different date once we got back above the should I change it? 94.6. That's that. I'm gonna review Wednesday in a second. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish Tuesday, and then probably hop off because I gotta get some other shit done. 1 second. But if we were to like look at the full market for a second, today my positions were NIL, which I got stopped out of because it broke below 7.50, which was my like it dropped a lot this morning for some fucking reason. Rejected off of this right here, and then it was a big resistance, and then it came down to support. We broke that support. You know, simple as that. So got stopped out of that. 30% loss. Not bad. All my plan. I think you do. SOUN, same thing. You know, I think we had stops at low of day. We went to low of day, rejected off a low of day, but it's like, what's the point in staying in some drawdown? Like, same thing here, you know? Stopped out at 30%. If we can break above 19.2, I'm looking for continuation. Like, I will look for continuation. Like, this looks really good. Really, really, really good. So, SOUN, same thing. QS, wow, I rejected. So good though. It was looking so good. I was looking at ASTS. ASTS ripped, bro. But contracts were so bad. Oh, this ripped too. No way. Fuck. This did rip, bro. Look at that. That was my entry right here. Oh, fuck. Or were contracts were bad on this, right? I think so. Or expensive. They were like bad or expensive. Like that's the reason. I mean, I'm just checking right now to see like what the contracts were at, if they were bad or not, on CFLT, I think. Right, CFLT. Let's see here. Probably would have taken the $23 calls. They were not bad. Why did I not take it? Dude, I don't know why I didn't take that. Oh, bro, shit ran, dude. Shit ran, dude. I was literally looking for this, bro. It's like a perfect one. I ended up taking the one that failed. That's just what happens, bro. That's just what happens. That's just what happens. ASTS ran as well. Contracts were shit, so I couldn't take this one. CFLT ran. I could have taken that one. Don't know why I didn't. COJR, I literally ran. I was talking about this. This shit ran 5% almost. Looking really good. I love this one. I just couldn't take it. Good contracts are bad, you know. RSI, like another breakdown scenario that you could have taken. As long as it's below the 50-day moving average, that's when you can take it. Stops above or at the 50-day moving average, then you target lows, which is like right here. You know, hit lows. It's just usually like scalps, like you target it in one day. Did it? No, I didn't. Fuck, multiple days though. Yeah, that's crazy. You actually could have taken it right here. The same fucking, strat, dude. It's like right there. There's your break. Can you invert these charts? How do you invert your chart? I don't know. Yeah, there was the breakdown, bro, right there. 16%. Wow. Stops at higher day. You know. Good trades. All right, let's go last one. SoFi. Damn, was the last one on Friday or Monday. This one I actually did play correctly. I don't know if I had. Fuck, I got logged out. I'm also in Bull. I'll tell you about that in a second. Took this on a 6, right? Let's see here. Yeah, I took 2 cons. Took a profit on the first one. The day trade, and then the other ones went down. I took it for a win. That was good. Follow my plan to a T. And it's just another reason why if you have stronger, like a larger account, you can take these. Like I took it right here, ran up here, took partials, came down below our breakout level, got stopped out. What was that? Really good. So I'll just journal that real quick. SoFi breakout. Copy. SoFi broke out in pre-market. Wait, let me see something. If we were to look on the hourly chart in pre-market when it broke out, what we were looking for was a literal. Oh, we got the pullback, and then we got a nice test out, and that's when we ran, or what? No, this is wrong. Yeah, there we go. So in pre-market, we went these highs right here, and we were looking for a break above these highs. Yeah, okay. So we're working in pre-market. Looked for entry above pre-market highs and a closure of a 5-minute candle. I think so. Yeah, closure of a 5-minute candle. closure of a 5-minute candle above those highs. So I've got confirmation. I took my entry and set my partial. Was able to take two contracts position. Took first TP when I hit 30% contracts. Followed my plan and brought the stops to break even. Same thing with 10. With it, but fortunately, I had taken a short for a small win. Yeah, bro, fucking followed my plan. Everything, you know? Yeah, you do. I really probably followed my plan. Really good. Simple as that, you know? If I look at Wednesday. Yeah, CMG, I got stopped out for a good win. Open. You know, I'm following my plan. Like, that's the thing. The only thing I say I'll probably win is probably today. I don't think I follow my plan. Kind of not, you know. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 3 trades. Yeah, follow my plan. But the thing is, I lost a little bit more on NIO than I wanted to. This overall market was shit. You know, SOUN, same thing. NIO, same thing. QS, same thing. We just didn't get confirmation about these. On the 5-minute chart, we had confirmation though. You know? Broke out above that level. Confirmation. Like, it was looking really good and it just dumped. It just dumped. It's so unfortunate. SOUN, I took a little bit of early entry. Like, that was a mistake on my part. I shouldn't have even taken SOUN. QS was a decent trade. I'm not even worried about that. NIO dumped. Last thing I want to do before I leave is just review Bull, which I am in for a long-term trade. This last thing I want to do is spend about an hour or so. Bull. Yup. Entry here and it's dumped. So you can see I'm looking for the long-term trade. We're at a big support level right here. I mark it out right here, right there. Weekly charts, you can see it. Big support, big support. Make it even more clear. Right. Big support, took an entry right there. We were getting a hammer candle. If we can close like right like up here, that'd be great. Yeah. Like if anything, I'll add more here. Loki, want to add more here. Low key. But it's okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna add anymore. But like you guys can see, like this shit. It's like volume is drying up here. We're looking for a bounce on the support, which we got right here in this daily candle. A continuation is what we need. If we break back into the support, then obviously I'm gonna just dip out of this. But yeah, that's that. You guys can see it. And yeah, I think that's that for that. But I think that's it for the stream. Today, QQQ pulled back. You know, it's looking really good for continuation later on. See, like, most of my watches is red. I wonder if, like, my stocks are in this. Yeah, we're probably picked up a lot. ARM. I was looking at ARM. Wow, look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. It broke out. Loki, I'm gonna take a trade live right now. Hop in this real quick. I get filled on this though. Okay, the $20 calls had more interest for $21 calls. Should have gotten those low key, low key, low key. Took entry right here. So personally took entry right here. You know what I also like about this is that how we're just like the 21 is rising. It's a rising 21. And we're bouncing off of it. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We're rising. So that's what I like about it. And I want to target like fucking 480 on this probably. So for like 2 TSL, it would be this right here. These highs. And I want to hold this for have the 24 contract, October 24th. Personally, I would take the 21 strike or the 20 strike. I low-key took the 20.5 and has no open interest. Which sucks. So I kind of want to get filled at the 21s. We'll see, we'll see. But market's closed, yeah. Market is closed, so got the entry on that. And yeah. Dope, dope, dope. I think that's it though for everything. We just added Tesla. We'll see what happens there. But I think that's it. Let's look at the long-term investments. See what happened here. MU consolidating, fucking ripping. Holy shit, it's ripping. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Boom. Almost a 26% gain. 26%. I just really like this company, man. Like personally, earnings and revenue is next week. If we can get good earnings and revenue, I would say like this could go. I'm also in this. So we'll see what happens. My main shares fell. Holy. You don't. That shit is crazy, bruh. Shit is crazy. I think we were at all-time highs, yeah. Just at all-time highs. I would say our support is right here, though. Yeah, it's definitely support right here. We'll see. But yeah, I'm off. Sorry, I just had to do that shit. Yeah, that's my trading plan. Stick to this. Okay, you guys, I gotta go get some shit done. But yeah.